Hello guys, we're doing the 8.1 experiment. It's the page 465 in your notebook. 465. And this is exposing elements to fire lab. We were supposed to do this on Monday, but as you know, we can't. And it's dealing with fire, so I didn't want to have you do this at home. So we're just going to watch a YouTube video of the experiment, and we're going to have to make some modifications. So the purpose of this lab is to better understand how different elements behave when exposed to fire. So we were supposed to burn 3 different elements in this experiment. You can see here, table salt and salt substitute. And this salt substitute has to have potassium chloride. So we're supposed to burn salt and potassium chloride in damp rid. Damp rid has, I forgot what it had. But so we were supposed to burn 3 different elements and see how they behave differently. And since you're not going to do this at your home, we're going to watch a video. And in the video, they have different materials that they're going to burn. So here, note any changes you made to the materials. You can write. We will add extra elements to burn. So supposedly in this lab, we were supposed to burn salt, potassium chloride, and damp rid. But we're not going to do these 3, but instead we're going to do these 5. And they are lithium chloride, copper chloride, sodium chloride, which is salt, and strontium chloride, and potassium chloride. And when they burn, they'll all have different colors. So at the end of the experiment, we're going to have to answer this question, which is what color flames result when different elements are exposed to fire? So let's look at that. And the hypothesis. So you need to give your hypothesis of the colors of each of these elements when they burn. So list all 5, lithium, copper, sodium, strontium, potassium, and hypothesize what kind of colors it will have. I know it's hard, but give your best. And procedure, since you're not going to do all these steps, you can just kind of ignore this section, and at the end of this page it says note any changes you made to the procedure. Obviously, since we're not doing it, you can write something like, instead of doing the actual experiment, we will watch a YouTube video of the experiment. Excuse me. The YouTube video, the link will be sent to your parents' email, and you can click on that link and it'll take you to a lab and you can watch that. And the lab looks like this. So there's a guy who's going to be doing the experiment for us. And you will see 6 little dishes. Ignore the very far left one. I don't know why he has that dish, and it's making everyone really confused because there's only 5 elements. And he's got 6 dishes. So ignore that one. So this one is the lithium. This one, the green one, is copper. This one is sodium chloride, which is a salt. You see that little salt box right there. And this one is the strontium chloride. And the very last one on the right is potassium chloride. And he's putting ethanol, so he's going to start a fire. And it's all these materials will start burning, and they'll have different colors. And once you watch that video, come to your lab and just record the results. See the lab and see and write down what colors you saw for each of these different materials. Okay? And then conclusion, write what you learned about the properties of the elements tested. Yeah, so write that. And when you guys return to the class, I'll check all the lab reports and the homework assignments that I'll be giving. Okay, good luck. See ya.